And the first thing we need to do today, because I really want to have full control over the end result of this. Right now I'm applying a sort of a primer that is going to eliminate all the oils from my skin, getting all those oils out before we cover the brows. And if you guys notice, my eyebrows are fully grown back now. So this is definitely going to be a fun experience. I'm going to take my comb here. I'm going to brush all these little hairs upwards, flattening as I go. All right. Okay, so there's one. And again, notice I'm going against the hairs and kind of swirling this glue all around. So now they're like smushed flat. You can see they're much larger than they were before since they're all spread out. Let that layer dry. It's already pretty dry. I'm gonna go in second layer here. So to be quite honest, it's been a long time since I've had full eyebrows to cover. So this is a fun little experiment if Mr. Rausch knows his makeup skills. Another thing I wanted to point out is that I really wanted to recede my hairline. I have this really chiseled hairline here, but I kind of want to make that recede a little bit. So you guys can't see, but what I've done is I've gelled my hairline away from my face. I really want to push that hairline. And what I'm going to do may seem weird to you, but I'm going to actually cover my hairline with glue as well. And once I put the foundation on, you'll see that it sort of opens up my face. And that's one of the little tricks I kind of wanted to show you with the glue stick today is I'm just going to go over this weird jutting out part and even my sideburns. And I've already gelled it flat, so it's already pretty flat. Now I'm really just covering it with the glue. Great, so those will dry. Let's see how flat my eyebrows are. Getting there. I think I need another couple more layers. And we're getting there. Hairline is setting and eyebrows are almost done. They're just really thick. I'm gonna take my little egg with my translucent powder and I'm really going to press, press, press. Press, press, press. And I'm gonna do the same thing to my hairline to make that a nice, smooth, clean surface, as if it were a part of my head. Well, it is a part of my head, just a non-hairy part. Cool. So as we can see, my eyebrows are still really dark. So I'm going to add some cream makeup that will counteract that. So I'm going to, with another brush, and use this reddish color we have in our kits to sort of redden and prep my eyebrows to really go away. Okay, so that'll prep my eyebrows. I'm gonna do the same thing, my hairline here. Great. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna take my shadow blender, which has my darker colors in it, and I'm going to sort of blend the edges of this so that it's a more natural transition and doesn't look stark underneath the foundation makeup. So I'm gonna look a little bit orange. That is okay. All right. All right, so like look a little orange right now, all good. Once that's done, you can start putting in your normal base color. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill most of my face with this foundation color. All right, and I'm gonna blend this all together nicely. Whoa, there we go.